Hello friends, how are we?
Today I'll be showing you a banana ragi pancake which is delicious, healthy, which is eggless and sugar free too. These light and fluffy pancakes will keep you full and satisfied without all of this filler. These pancakes are super easy to make. Even you can make it with your kid and they wouldn't even require any help from you. So, let's get started. You will need 2 bananas, half cup thick buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you can simply replace that with yogurt. Just make sure that you add little bit of water. Here we have 1 flex egg. Don't worry, it is not a real egg. To this, I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey here. Now let's blend it together. Meanwhile, let's prepare our dry ingredient. Here we have 4 tablespoons of self-rising flour, 4 tablespoons of ragi flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We are adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and pinch of salt to taste. If you are new to our channel and want to know what new bites are coming up, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that next bite can reach to you easily. Let's combine our wet and dry ingredient.
If you're finding your batter is a bit thick, go ahead and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. It's all start with batter. Too thick and they will be gluggy and undercooked in the inside. Too runny and the pancake will spread out and won't fluff up.
I'm already smelling the cocoa, it's so good. I guess my kid will have this batter as it is, but let's turn them into the pancakes which everybody can enjoy.
Lightly grease the pan with a small amount of butter.
Now let's add 1 spoon of our cake batter.
Wait about a minute. Don't rush them into the high speed or flip them too early. Let that underside cook to beautiful golden brown color, and when bubbles starts forming up on the top around the surface, they are ready to flip. Turn the side and let it cook for a few seconds. With this quantity of batter, we can get 5 to 6 medium pancakes.
Now you can have it like this with the jam or butter. But I guess I have something surprising for you. I have made this yummy mixed berry compote the other day. Let's serve it with that. And yes, it is sugarless. Now if you want us to create a quick video for this mixed berry compote, then comment below. These are perfect. We can just eat right that. But wait, not ready to eat yet. Final touch up. Just a spoonful of brown butter. The brown butter that we are adding right at the end will taste so yum. This is the trick I learned from one of the cafe here. Thank you for staying on the healthy side. If you are interested in cooking quick and easy and healthy meals for your family, then do subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. See you again. Until next time, stay safe and happy.